We're going to start with the elevator pitch.
I feel like I've learnt an alternative way to approach things.
We didn't tackle really the technology part.
I've surfed in California now, I don't need to do it anywhere else.
You surfed in California?
I had a surfboard and I had the wetsuit. I surf.
We are going to Acube, the Airbus Group Silicon Valley offices.
And everybody is going to share the part that is going to be his part for the future of the project.
We all agreed to put the sentence from Bertrand. The concept we developed is an adaptive platform which allows both employees and company to grow by learning from each other in an engaging and rewarding way. Do you still agree, Bertrand? I agree.
After a week of complete divergence where we had a lot of different ideas, we realized that we had everything we wanted. We had the innovation, we had different application, and we were a team, and everybody agreed. I learned the power of the collectivity. Again, huh? I'm so much convinced, but it's always great to see how much it goes very fast.
I want the team to meet other experts of the area, to raise their awareness about other technologies that could take part of the project in the near future. The tracking is about understanding the behavior of people, and this technology could be definitely used for training, learning, education, whatever. So that's why I wanted you to see what is available and what are the performances of the system.
Know very precisely where I am looking with my eyes.
Bertrand, go ahead. Okay. We will scan your brain.
It's a really important technology for augmented reality and is really going to take those experiences to the next level in the near future.
What we thought is that we should investigate the potential of mixed reality technologies for education because it's much more efficient to learn with 3D objects and things that talk to your brain.
They had one demo where it was a cube, and when you hold the cube, all the cubes fell through your hands, and even though nothing was there, I felt it.
Each person knows how to interact with the other person better. So even now, as before when we first started, I know how to interact with a Paul or Alex or Capucine. I know their personalities, and I know which best way to interact with them.
The next step is to have Singularity University people in Toulouse to concretely define what will be the prototype. Is everybody comfortable with this first proposal?
Yes.
Are you happy?
It was one team with a singular vision.